guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notification button, and give me thumbs up. And in short, you're welcome to Life as Khaissah.
The Barbie, I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Today is actually going to be a fun video. We are currently on our way to Le Parc National du Banco. That's the name, right? C'est ça, non? Yeah. And I'm taking you guys along. Sit, enjoy, and let's have fun. So guys, we're currently at the location. That's the name right there, Parc National du Banco. So we're about to go in there and have a lot of fun. I hope you do enjoy. One thing I really love about my country is the greenery. I mean, the fact that we are like maintaining vegetation and plants, and like everywhere you go, you'd see greeneries. Like that's my uncle and that's my brother. I mean, the sky is looking bright, even though it looked like it was going to rain. So when you enter, you pay your fee at the reception and then you pick your bicycle, but the bicycle comes at a different fee. So yeah, we're about to do that. I haven't sat on a bicycle in a very long time, and I'm a bit like, how am I going to do that? But let's go, man. Yeah. So guys, we're about to go. We're ready with our bicycles, as you can see, and we're going to have fun. Hey, wait, let me put my phone down. As you can see, we're riding, man. Like, see, we just entered, and see how I'm sweating. Now I regret actually doing makeup. Oh, salut les gars! Attends. Oh my God, it's raining. Like it's raining, huh?
C'est que je suis en train de marcher là. On dit c'est 1 heure pour arriver là.
This is me, and this is them. But yeah, this video is fucking not going how I expected it to be. I expected that I was going to have a lovely sunny day, and I'll just end up just like, you get me, having fun with my cousin, my uncle, and my brother. And yeah, I've been on the bike for like 30 minutes plus it's raining, and oh God, something is in my eyes. Like, you literally got to quoi? C'est le village? Donc on fait comment? Oh, so we are simply gosh, I have to deal with a bike on my own. Oh, on va où? So we've gotten, and it's raining and we have no idea where we are going to. I think we're literally lost. We're trying to figure out where we are supposed to. On va où ça? As you can hear from my voice, like I'm literally like out of breath. But yeah, let's continue the ride. Let's go, bros. Let's go, loves. So guys, we finally got into the restaurant and we were wet as hell. Like, they are literally wet as hell.
We are fucking wet.
You're what?
We are fucking wet.
See my eyes. Wait, what the heck? Who sent me to actually do makeup?
The water that's coming out from this dress. Like,
see,
what the fuck, man?
See, like, we literally have to squeeze the water out of his outfit. So here is the thing, we came here to have fun, and it's raining, and we are already wet. So why not just go and have fun while it's wet? Literally, what do we have to lose? I don't know. So there is a place for darts, there is like those, I mean there are a lot of games around. So yeah, we're just roaming about. So come and have camping with your partner or your family or your friends over here. Moving forward, see my feet are so dirty. Like I literally like fell in mud. Not fell, but like I stamped in mud. So it's like my shoes are spoiled, kinda. But yeah, it's a really lovely place, but sadly it seems we came at the wrong time. So our bad. Actually, it's not. It's actually not the wrong time, because truth be told, yeah, it's actually fun to be in the rain. Like, you know, as kids we used to like love playing in the rain and everything and all that. Yeah, exactly. So it's like, it's actually a fun experience. Riding bicycle in the forest, in the rain, the sound of the rain, like the forest, the mud and everything. It's like nature, being in nature, just like you have your bicycle and stuff. And sorry, it's actually fun. Ooh, see, so it's, I don't know if anybody has gone to the botanical garden. It's like an obstacle course. Oh, there is a trampoline. Chaque fois attraper et sauter dessus un peu.
Moi là, moi je saute pas.
Non, si. Yes, c'est pas ça.
Il y a un à un.
Il y a bon. Ça s'entend la It's raining. Regardez, formation militaire. Voilà, vas-y. It's your turn, man.
No thank you.
Huh?
No thank you.
Why you not trying some? C'est quel coin?
Vous montez. Moi, ils ne maîtrisent même pas. Mais je vois les gens font. Je ne sais pas s'ils montent, non.
Oui.
Et puis, il y a balance, les balancer. Ils viennent.
L'autre où il tombe quelque part ici, là. Oh, I actually want to do some. Je vais faire aussi. Guys, that was so much fun.
J'ai un concours à deux qui serait rapide.
D'accord. 1, 2, paix! This is therapeutic. Like, you're in the rain, like you are having fun. It's like being a child again, over and over again, like having the second chance to being a child. So yeah, that was a miss. He hit himself with the arrow, like, and this one hit someone with it, and he hit himself. We've tried that, and we also how that went, and now we're about to try this. So, wish us good luck.
So, the star has finally decided to grace us. Il a parlé en français, à quel problème? On parle pas du français. C'est la courage, on va faire. Ah, Binet seulement là, elle n'est pas comme les autres filles. Viens derrière. Oh yeah. Seigneur Jésus.
Shut up! Going to tell your mom that you love her a lot and then you care about her. So yeah, all the best. Come on, let's say that. Approchez, regardez. Somehow, somewhat, we decided to just call it a day. T'es sérieux là? Oh, see, there's a monkey. It's a baby monkey. Can you guys see it? Oh my god. Decided to call it a day. We've had fun enough. We've been here for like an hour 30 minutes, and then and we are starting to get cold. So we are contemplating whether we should go back with the bicycle or we should go with the motorbikes that they have here available to help us get there. What's happening to your palms?
So white.
See mine. Peut-être plus jaune que pour nous. Oh wow.
Ceux qui n'ont pas de sang.
Qui va rien comprendre?
Elle est capable de faire chose.
Quoi?
Elle est capable de faire.
C'est gratuit.
On demandait. On est capable de prendre un vélo pour partir.
On va prendre un vélo pour partir.
Le temps qu'à arriver là-bas, il est déjà. On est capable de prendre un vélo pour partir. Là, on profite pour voir.
So, and I don't know where these white things are literally coming from because I wasn't having them. I don't know whether I got them from the rain or whatever. I just heard something. This place used to be, this particular place used to be a zoo, and when the place in 1950 something, the place became a park. They said because it's a park, like animals can't be in a cage, so they decided to like free some of the animals and all that. So there are man, which animal did you free, man? Telling us that if you happen to see any animal, you should just move on about and act as if you've not seen it, because they are living their lives, and if you try anything, they will feel threatened and they might do something to us. So there are animals around, and now I'm freaking out because I'm like, I don't have energy to run right now. So yeah. So this is the map of the place. Oh, this is the map of Ivory Coast.
Les espaces en fait que vous voyez sur les différents parcs nationaux.
I really have no regrets. I had so much fun over here. And yeah, I mean, it's a memory I'm going to have for a very long time. So I came the day I decided to visit this place. It decided to rain and I had so much fun. So I mean, who can complain? We're tired. We're going back and he's exhausted. Prochainement, on n'a rien fait. C'est toi. I'm sweating. Yeah, pas de problème. Oh my god. So guys, after like how many hours on this bike? I like the one you want. Alright guys, so we've finally made it to the gate, and oh, he got hurt. Désolé. Mais tu as aimé, non? Tu as revenu encore bien, tu reviens plus. Tu as aimé?
Non, le retour n'est pas aimé, c'est trop court.
Tu veux retourner encore?
Ouais.
Vas-y.
En tout cas, le vélo à ta disposition.
No, but for real, I really did enjoy myself. I'm tired. My thighs are hurting. But I did enjoy myself.
What do you mean?
So you saw how we entered, right? And then we were all clean and all neat. This is us now. Like literally. Like.
Ma présence dans sa vie là, c'est une bénédiction.
Hey guys, so we just go home and they are eating, and yeah, so we might end up stepping out because this happens to be my last night here in Abidjan. So I might end up stepping out with my younger brothers to go and get some ice cream and stuff and spend some family time. So stick and stay long when you were in a small town. We had a lovely night. I mean, it's lovely coming home and spending time with family, and yeah, so I've been able to enjoy that. But sadly, tomorrow I'm going back to GH and back to work and back to stress and everything. But I really did enjoy, and I appreciate the time I spent with my family in like over here. Like I haven't visited home since 2019, if I'm not mistaken, as in since COVID happened. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close today's video here. Thanks so much for joining. Until next time, bye bye.